Hello there and welcome to Cuisine Africana. This week, I'm your host, Lilian Ogazi. I know, right? I look really African. Well, it's Cuisine Africana. What do you expect? Anyway, this week we have something really amazing, interesting, and with a little twist with an amazing guest. Well, don't go anywhere. After the break, you're going to meet my guest for the week and our meal. Just stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So this week we have with us the amazing Mazini African Cuisine, and she's going to tell us what she has for us this week. Good day.
Good day, madam. You're welcome again.
Yeah, welcome to Cuisine Africana.
Okay.
Well, before I get down to this, last week was amazing.
Thank you.
The meal was superb. Just in case I didn't commend you enough, it was beautiful. So what do we have this week?
We have unripe plantain and a mozini sauce. This is a sauce made with the African ingredients like the center leaf,
Okay, which is this?
crayfish, fresh pepper, dry fish, palm oil, and some local spices.
Okay, that's
Very nice.
Ogiri here.
Yes, ogiri is right there.
That thing smells.
You're an Igbo woman.
I know all these things,
Okay.
but the smell of ogiri is really horrible, but the taste is
Very nice.
Very
So we
nice.
add it for flavor
okay.
to
Then I
our
can see
meal.
what is in. That's a
Palm
huge
oil
fish.
and fish,
And
yes.
fish. Okay, okay. So, let's
But
get
you can
started.
use anything for the sauce.
Okay, you can use anything. So you
Yes.
call it Mozini sauce. Okay,
Yes.
So it has just the scent leaf and the palm oil.
Yes.
So we can use beef. We can use
You
chicken.
can use anything you decide to use.
Okay, so let's get started.
Okay. So right now I want to wash the plantain.
Okay, let me wash it.
Okay, thank you. This is unripe plantain.
plantain.
We've cut it up.
So I can see you like boiling your plantain with the peel.
Yes, actually.
Most people don't. I feel like it helps to like
Preserve the
preserve
nutrients. Yes,
Yeah.
that's what it does. Okay, the plantain is clean.
And then this goes in the fire.
Start boiling it right now.
So we're still using our charcoal pots.
Yes, please.
Our charcoals.
Yes, it's very fast.
Okay, so that goes on the fire. What?
Yes. I need to take out the water. Thank you. So right now we're about to make the Mozini local sauce. It's used to eat plantain or boiled yam. In some cases you can use it to eat rice.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
So we wait for the pot to get ready,
Ready and dried up.
and then we go for the palm oil as well.
So the palm oil now, can we use a little vegetable oil to it? Or
No.
just palm oil?
Strictly palm oil. Yes.
But it's local, so it has
It's
to
the
be
local sauce. So, depending on the quantity you're making, but the palm oil has to be a lot because it's a local sauce. So people like to eat palm oil. I like to see a lot of palm oil in the sauce.
So what next is going on?
You have to wait a little for the oil to get bleached.
This is quite a number of
We might not use all, but we have to start pounding it right now.
Alright, so it's already washed.
It's washed. So
what quantity am I adding?
about half of it. Sorry. Pounding. Okay, now we are adding onion.
Okay. This is quite
a lot.
Yeah.
Yes, we need a lot of it.
Okay. So do you pound it like smooth, or you just leave it so?
A bit smooth, not so smooth. Leave right now to the onion and pepper.
Oh.
As much as you want.
Okay. So this quantity is enough for us?
Yes, we can add more.
Okay.
Well, let's see how far this one goes. Okay, now it's time for us to check our plantain to see how it's doing. Wow, it's cooking nicely.
So how would you know when it's ready?
I'll check it.
You're cooking it with the back.
We'll check.
We'll check it.
Yes.
While we're pounding, we had to take down our oil.
Now we're going back
too hot.
to the oil.
Okay.
So we have to start frying the sauce. We're adding a little of the onion to the oil, and then no, this one. Can I have the? It's okay. We're adding the sauce now. We're adding the ingredients to the palm oil,
Okay.
which comprises of the pepper, the onion,
And scent leaf.
and the scent leaf. We'll allow this to cook a bit. While it's cooking, we already have our parboiled dry fish. We'll add it right now. So that it cooks with the sauce.
Oh, you don't shred your fish?
Well, we want you to see it in full. Then we add our local spices and our seasoning. This is our spices, the local spice, the ogiri, and some
spice.
seasoning,
Okay.
pepper soup spice and some seasoning, just for flavor. And then we add the little crayfish, a little.
Since you already have
And-
enough fish.
Yes,
A little.
and some dry pepper.
Okay.
While it cooks, wait for it. We'll allow it to cook for a bit.
Our sauce is almost ready. Our plantain is also on the fire. Now we're going to go on a really quick break. And when we get back, Cuisine Africana continues. Don't go anywhere. Health benefits of scent leaf sauce and unripe plantain. Aside the large protein content in the sauce, the scent leaf contains an effective antipyretic substance to reduce fever and cure malaria. To get these benefits, you can brew scent leaf as tea. If you're a tea drinker, drink it while it's still warm. Scent leaf is not only useful as part of fresh vegetables that with chili sauce and chicken or fried fish, but scent leaf also has benefits for male and female sexual organs. The compounds in scent leaf can overcome the problem of premature ejaculation in men and can improve sperm vitality and prevent infertility. Plantain contains a huge amount of potassium, which makes it heart-friendly. It controls the heart rate and blood pressure in the body. Also, its fiber content is great for reducing cholesterol level, which reduces the risk of developing any heart diseases. Plantain is a great meal for weight loss and healthy eating. It also helps the circulatory and digestive system. It is a huge source of vitamin A, B6, and C, which helps with better vision, better skin complexion, builds immunity against disease and free radicals. And most importantly, it helps build and strengthen stronger bones. You're welcome back. Just in case you're just joining us, this is Cuisine Africana, and today we're making mozzini sauce and plantain. Well, we've already gone halfway through. The sauce is almost ready. The plantain is also almost ready. So let's get back to our meal.
Okay, the sauce is almost ready at the moment. It's ready for consumption. And let's quickly check the plantain. We're checking the plantain now. Oh, the plantain is ready too.
Okay, notice we didn't add salt to the plantain.
Well, some people don't like salt, so we try to avoid salt. We don't add much salt to what we're cooking.
Alright.
Yes, because we cook for commercial purposes.
So most people don't really
we try to avoid salt.
Okay, so our meal is ready.
Yes.
Alright, I'm pretty excited because I know her meals are always nice. Alright guys, our meal is ready, and now we're going to be going to my favorite part of the show, the dining. Now before we get there, we're going to go on a really quick break, and then you're also going to learn something new on our kitchen tips segment. Don't go anywhere. On our kitchen tips for the week, we shall be looking at 12 kitchen knife safety tips. A sharp knife is a safe knife, but care and attention are required when working with them in the kitchen. Now here are a few tips to keep you and anyone else working in your kitchen safe. 1. Always sharpen your knife. Maintain a sharp edge with periodic sharpening. A sharp knife allows you to have more control, and when cutting, it helps you have better control. Consider professional sharpening once at home. Maintenance is no longer cutting it. Cut on a stable surface. Cut on a stable surface, preferably a plastic or wooden cutting board that is knife friendly. Never use knife as a can opener. This is just asking for trouble, because if the knife slips or if the tip breaks off, it's all on you. Do not rush while cutting. Take your time while cutting. There is no need to rush. Pay attention and enjoy the zen and beauty of slicing. Place fruits properly when cutting. When cutting fruits and vegetables, cut them so there is a flat side and lay it down for stable cutting. Trust me, it's way easier. Never put a knife in a sink full of water. Now, I like to leave them to the end of my dishwashing and then wash one at a time. Wash them with the blade facing away from you. Trust me, it's way safe. Never attempt to catch a fallen knife. This may sound like a no-brainer, but I beg you, resist that instinctive urge to just grab a knife when it's falling. Learn to hand over a knife properly. When handing a knife to someone else, lay it down on the work surface to let the other person pick it up. Hold the knife properly when in the kitchen. When walking up and down through the kitchen, hold the knife straight down at your side with the sharp edge facing behind. Never lick a knife. Never ever lick a knife. It's just a bad idea and it's really not hygienic. Teach your kids this lesson really early. Store knives properly. Store knives properly in sturdy sheets, in trays, or a wooden block. It keeps you safe and it keeps your knives safe as well. Know how to cut properly. Place your guide hand into a claw position when cutting. Keep your fingers and thumbs tucked under to avoid any mishaps. Now remember, the key to good knife habits is to go slow, practice, follow proper safety guidelines, and have fun. You're welcome back. Now, I'm with a very funny personality here to help you taste this meal.
Really?
Only say,
Sir?
now we can eat.
Okay, please.
But wait first, before then.
Okay, sorry.
It's still Cuisine Africana and our meal is ready. So, with me, I have
Can
Mr.
I?
Olise, who
Okay,
is going to help us taste this meal and give his own analysis. I know he's already, as you can see, we have palm oil in here. So, it's Cuisine Africana. Let's get started. So, I think I'll.
Thank you very much. Thank you for reminding me for the water.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, I will always pray.
Of course, this is great for eating.
Before I start eating, I was passing by and I was perceiving it.
Oh, okay.
So, eating is another added advantage.
How?
Yes, to what I perceived.
Okay.
I'm so into this food, and I will not be able to talk. You know, right? That's fine.
This food is nice.
It's beyond nice.
Beautiful, right?
Lifting my hand on camera, it's fine. Trust me, when it comes to this food. Okay, please. Can I join you? Because I feel that way too. I swear, honestly speaking, I do. Yes, please do. We're taking the bigger one.
Of course, Yes, now.
Why now?
Not ladies first.
It's not ladies first in this kind of thing. We're in Nigeria. It's first come, first served.
I was here before you.
You were here before me? I was behind the kitchen when they were cooking it. I was perceiving it. With this kind of food, if you cheat on your wife with this kind of food, she will know.
Because you cannot get this
I'm telling you.
The palm wine is fresh. So what do you think?
This is straight from heaven. Trust me.
God sends down the plate.
I swear. Heavenly manna.
Okay. Say no more.
Okay.
Guys, he said straight down from heaven. I don't think there's any other analysis I can give that's going to beat that. With all this, we've come to the end of Cuisine Africana for this week. I'm going to see you again same time, same station next week. Goodbye.
The cuts took time, oh. Obina, come, bring down the oil, oh.